Hello, myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our topic is division of a line segment. You have one line segment and its coordinates are given. Here we take line segment AB and its coordinate of A are x1, y1 and coordinate of B are x2, y2. And this line segment AB division or divide by some point P of xy in the ratio m/n. Then how you can find coordinates of this dividing point? By this formula. Your x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and its y coordinate is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Geometrically we understand this way. You have one line segment AB. Here is A, here is B, and some point P dividing this line segment in the ratio m/n. This is your n part. So this division point x coordinate find by this formula and y coordinate by this formula. Now midpoint of a line segment. When this P lies exactly in between, that means this is your AB line segment and P lies exactly in between these lines, then this P is called midpoint of line segment AB. That means its dividing ratios are equal. Suppose this is part K and this is part K. If you put this K value here instead of M and N, what you got? Kx2 plus Kx1 upon K plus K. If you take K outside, then this become x2 plus x1 upon 2K and here K will be cancelled. So your midpoint formula x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Let us consider two examples based on these two formulas. First question is find the coordinate of the point which divide line segment AB in the ratio 3:2. From A, the coordinate of A and B are 3, -6 and -2, -1 respectively. First of all, understand question and whatever given you should be right. Here, let A of x1 y1 is equal to A of 3 -6 and B of x2 y2 is equal to B of -2 -1. Then, dividing point P of xy divide line segment AB in ratio m/n is equal to 3:2. Now you want to find this dividing point x coordinate, y coordinate by this formula. So you should be right here. Now by division formula or division of a line segment, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Put corresponds value. X is equal to, instead of m you should be right 3, x2 -2 and 2, x1 is 3 divided by m plus n. So your x is plus minus minus 3 2s are 6 plus 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 3 2s are 6 divided by 5. So 0 by 5. So your x will become 0. Now y coordinate. So your y coordinate formula is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Put corresponds value. M you have 3, y2 you have -1, n you have 2, y1 you have -6 and 3 plus 2. Plus minus minus 3 1s are 3. Plus minus minus 2 6 are 12 upon 5. Minus minus plus 12 plus 3 15, biggest digit sign, minus 15 upon 5. 5 3s are 15. So your y is equal to -3. So find the coordinate of the point which divide these line segments are 0 and -3. So here you should write your answer. Required dividing point P of 0 minus 3. Now let us consider second example. Find the coordinate of the midpoint of line segment AB where A of 3 minus 2 and B of minus 1, 4. So here you want to find coordinate of midpoint. So you should be use here midpoint formula. So first of all you should be write given coordinate of a line segment. So for second solution you should be write let A of x1 by 1 is equal to A of 3 minus 2. B of x2 by 2 is equal to B of minus 1 and 4. And you want to find its midpoint. So let or you should be right here P of xy be a midpoint of line segment AB. Therefore, by midpoint formula, its x coordinate is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Put corresponds value 3 plus minus 1 by 2. So 3 plus minus 1 divided by 2. So 2 by 2. So your x is 1. Same way y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So your y is equal to minus 2 plus 4 upon 2. So y is equal to 2 upon 2. So your y is equal to 1. So required midpoint coordinates are 1, 1. So you can write answer required midpoint is P of 1, 1. Similarly, you can find out any division of line segment by this formula. If you really like my channel, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.